Let f of x equals 32 and g of x equals 8 times 2 to the x over second power. Find the value of x for which these guys are equal to each other. All right, so let's just set them equal to each other. 32 equals 8 times 2 to the x over 2 power. Now we need to get x all by itself. There's an over 2 in the way. There's a base 2 in the way. There's a times 8 in the way. Let's divide both sides by 8. Let's get rid of that guy first. Divide both sides by 8. 32 over 8 is 4. 4 equals base 2 of x over 2. Now base 2 is in the way. How do I get rid of base 2? Log base 2 both sides, like so. That allows us to cross you out. Now log base 2 of 4, I don't know what that is. Oh, but you know what I could do? Write out 4 as 2 to the second power. And that's going to equal, this drops down, x over 2. Now, why did I do that? Well, because as I saw up here, log base 2 of 2 cancels out. So log base 2 of 2 cancels out, leaving you with 2. 2 is going to equal x over 2. Multiply both sides by 2. X is going to equal 4.